Hey guys, welcome to our Java tutorial brought to you by our group Incognito. So, for today's tutorial, we're going to tackle about the if-else statement, nested if, and switch statement. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa and let's move on to the tutorial right after this intro. So first, what is the if statement? If statement is the most frequently used conditional statements. If the if statement's condition expression evaluates to true, the block of code inside the if statement is executed. But if the expression is found to be false, the code within the if statement is ignored, and the first set of code after the end of the if statement is executed. Okay, here's the example. So, int age equals to 18. Semicolon. Then, if age greater than equals to 18, then system dot out dot print line. Then, okay, let's say you have the rights to access. Okay, and we run it, and it says you have the rights to access. As you can see, lumabas yung you have the right to access, right? Because the condition is true. But if we change this 18 to 13, okay, let's see what's gonna happen. And it says it stopped. Here, stop. Why? Because the condition was not met. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which executes when the if statement condition evaluates to false. So, pag nilagyan natin ng else statement itong kaninang if statement natin, like ganito, else, then system.out.print line, then okay, let's say your access is denied. Then semicolon. Okay, then we run it. Okay. As you can see, ang output na lumabas is your access is denied because hindi nag-true yung if statement. So, it will proceed to the else statement that we put. So, that's basically how the if-else statements works.
Now let's proceed to the nested if statement. Basically, this statement is a conditional statement within a conditional statement, which means that you can use if-else statement inside another if or else statement. So let's go back to the example earlier, guys. Here, as you can see, and in the nested if statement, we can put another if statement inside this if statement. So for example, if age is greater than 16 and system set out that print, then let's put you are now verified. Sorry for the typographical error, guys. You are now verified. Then let's run it. And you can see uh, that there are two output na lumabas because the first statement is true, then nag-proceed siya sa nested if and nag-true rin siya. Nag-true rin yung condition, kaya pareho silang lumabas sa output. And guys, pwede rin pala tayo kayo maglagay ng else statement sa loob ng if statement kanina, like this. Else then wait lang, pwede pa natin palitan itong 20 age. So ayan, system that out that printing but you are not verified. Lagay naman natin dito, but you are not verified. Ayan. And then let's run it. So ayan, we can see that the first statement met the condition, kaya lumabas yung you have the rights to access. But yung another if statement na ito, you are not verified, hindi lumabas kasi it did not met the condition. Kasi nga, di ba, pinilitan natin ng 20. And instead, nagpunta siya sa next condition na else statement. At ayun yung lumabas. Ito. Here. The other else statement na nasa labas ng if statement ay hindi nilabas because nag-met yung condition sa unang if statement. And na-ignore na yung else statement. Ito. Na-ignore na ito. And one more thing, you can put as many as you want na if-else statement sa loob ng if statement as long as na-meet nito yung condition. And it's up to you naman guys, for if you want to if you're just trying to experiment the codes, it's up to you.
So now, we are on our last topic, which is switch statement. The switch statement is similar to a conditional statement, but only tests a variable for equality against a list of values and only works with string, char, and int. Each value is called the case, and the variable switch on is checked for each case. When the variable being switched on is equal to a case, the statements following the case will execute until the break statement is reached. So, for example, car grade equals A, switch grade. Dito natin gagamitin yung case system dot out print ln outstanding, then break, tas case ulit, case B system out print ln excellent. Tapos break, case C system out print ln good job. Tapos break. So try na natin siyang i-run. As we can see, lumabas na output is outstanding. Why? Because our grade is A, and of course pag i-run natin siya, yung lalabas is yung case A. And if we change it into case C, yung lalabas is good job. But guys, we have one problem. Diba sa if statement, we have else statement. So, pag nilagay ko dito D, but we don't have case D, so how can you handle that? So, try muna natin i-run to ng walang D. As you can see, walang lumabas dahil wala naman tayong case D. So, dito papasok yung tinatawag nating default keyword. The default keyword often used to handle values that are not on the case. It is recommended that this keyword will be used at the end of switch statement. So, parang ito yung nagsisilbing else statement natin. So, try natin siyang gamitin. Default system that output ln you have failing grades. So, try ulit natin siyang i-run. So, ayan, yun yung natin, nag-proceed agad siya sa default because wala naman siya sa mga case yung mga hinaharap natin. And lastly guys, I forgot to mention kung bakit mahalaga na karatapos ng case is mayroon tayong break. So, try natin siyang i-remove yung break kung ano mangyayari. Then let's also change this to B. And if we run it, we can see na yung output na lumabas is excellent, good job, and you have failing grades because walang break na iraran niya lahat kasi lahat na nasa baba ng case B. And that is the importance of break keyword. This is the end of our tutorial guys, and we hope that you learned something from our tutorial. Thanks for watching.
Let me see.